So first we had the leaked images, then the press renders, and now we have a live video of the Samsung Galaxy Z. No, just kidding. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Ben Gaskin shared it on Twitter and looks like the source doesn't really care about exposing himself. First thing I said was, wow, this phone is so tall. It's a 22:9 aspect ratio, so if you like to scroll through your Instagram or Facebook feed, this will show you more content at a time. Also, it will be good for watching wide-angle movies at 2.4:1 ratio or higher, so you won't have these black bars on the top and bottom. The downside is, my videos and most of the videos on YouTube will have even bigger black bars on the left and right. But of course you can zoom in to fit if you don't mind losing a bit of content. You may want to use it in this angle though, so that the phone stands on its own, and that nice double pivot hinge will come in handy. Unlike the Moto Razr, which can only hold itself in 2 positions, the Galaxy Z Flip can hold itself at any angle you want. Notice here how it doesn't close all the way unless you want it to. Another difference here, the Galaxy Z Flip has a bit of a crease in the middle. One of the layers over the display is plastic like the Razr, but it has another layer of ultra thin glass, which Samsung recently trademarked by the way, so there will be an extra layer of protection before you reach the display panel itself and cause permanent damage. The Moto Razr doesn't have a crease because the plastic only display moves up and down in a unique fashion inside the chin, but since there is space under the display for it to move, dust and other particles can also get in there and damage the display from underneath. This happened with version 1 of the Galaxy Fold, then they fixed it with these hinge lips in version 2, and the Z Flip has them as well. Though, to be honest, that doesn't completely eliminate the problem, but at least you should expect it to work fine if you're careful enough with it. I can't wait for Zach's video on the Z Flip, but I'm sure the hinge will be solid just like the Galaxy Fold, which is even stronger than some non-foldable tablets. And just listen to this satisfying click. Other than this, the bezels are still thicker than usual and the hole punch isn't the smallest, but remember that's still an unusual display that's not easy to work with yet. I just hope the Galaxy Z Flip 2 will have a bigger secondary display because I don't want to unfold it every time I want to do something simple. And if you want to learn more about the device, specs and more comparisons with the Moto Razr, check out my previous video on the Flip that's appearing on your screen right now and consider subscribing with notifications on to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.